Hi, this is Jill from Humu Yoga, and this is the opening to the practice. This week, we're going to focus on the theme of presence. And we're going to find ourselves in a place where we can totally connect to our intention for the practice. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll focus on how you're sitting first. So just notice, can you sit in a position where your back of your spine is engaged, that low spine, and you're lifted upwards? So maybe you need to sit on a pillow, or maybe the floor is just fine. And then we'll take the hands to the sides, and for a moment, close the eyes and just focus on what's going on in your body. And then we'll start to connect inwards. So finding a sense of pelvic floor, we call that mula bandha. It's called root lock. Mula means root. So engage in pelvic floor, just enough that you feel it working. And then above that, below the belly button, feel a drawing inward and upward. So that energy feels like it's flying upward. That's Uddiyana Bandha. Uddiyana means flying upward. And then at the top of the spine, draw the chin down and we create a chin lock. We call that Jalandhara Bandha, and it seals in the energies. And now that you're supported from within, we can release the hands and just take a moment to focus on the breath. So as you inhale, visualize and feel how the diaphragm expands, taking the rib cage with it. And then as you exhale, it relaxes and the rib cage relaxes. So just focus all your attention on the inhalations and the exhalations, and just notice, are there any restrictions? And can you breathe through that? Inhale and exhale. And then let's take the hands together in prayer position by the heart, and we'll vibrate together in Om, and then I'll recite the theme, the quotes of the theme of presence. Inhaling, Om. If you love someone, the greatest gift you can give them is your presence. Once you realize the power of your presence, you won't be just anywhere. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. When asked what gift he wanted for his birthday, the yogi replied, "I wish no gifts, only presence." Just by being present and really being in the moment and conscious of the moment, you will be able to go deeply into anything you do. And I hope that carries over into your Christmas as the greatest presents ever. Namaste.